Hi. So now there are total 7 different digital marketing platforms available for you to build a complete digital marketing strategy. So starting from video marketing, you have got display marketing, analytics and reporting, social media marketing, then content marketing, search engine marketing, and mobile marketing. So let's start with one by one by seeing an example how all these 5 different digital marketing platform really works, and each businesses and brands can leverage this digital marketing platform for the success of their business and getting more sales, leads, brand awareness, footfalls, or whatever their marketing goal could be. Okay, so let's start with analyzing each one. So first of all, content marketing. So content marketing, as you must be knowing, content marketing could be in different forms. It could be in email form, it could be in landing page form, it could be website, it could be uh, webinar, it could be blog, or it could be PR, or anything that contained uh, contents is content marketing. So you have your website for your business, and website is full of the contents, right? Each and every aspect of your business, you provide the information, like about your business, about your services or products, frequently asked questions, or maybe about your work, the demo of the product, career page, contact page, or could be anything related to content, right? So content marketing is a very important aspect in your overall digital marketing strategy. So you really need to make sure that your content marketing outperforms uh, when you really get started, right? So this is the one example, which is content marketing. Second is the social media marketing. So social media marketing, like since we live in digital world, right? So there are empty number of social media marketing platform available to all of us, and the major social media marketing platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google Plus, or Pinterest, YouTube, Vimeo, or any other similar platforms. But these are the major social media marketing platforms available to us. So, uh, in order to strategize and implement the right social media marketing strategy for any business, it is important that we understand the characteristic of the target audience and the user base of these platforms. So, like, let's say you have uh, the restaurants running, and now you would like to do the social media marketing for your restaurant. So you have to find out which social media platform you need to invest. So is it Instagram, is it Facebook, Twitter, YouTube? So it depends. It depends where exactly you're going to find your relevant audience on which platform. So if you're running the restaurant business, your target audience could be in Instagram, or it could be in Facebook, and also it could be in YouTube or Twitter, right? So you really need to analyze the kind of audiences is available on the social media platforms, and based on that you need to take a call that which social media platform is ideal for your business. And each social media platform is different in terms of functionality, in terms of content, right? So let's say for example, Instagram, you really need to put a good visual photos with hashtags and all, whereas Facebook is a general social media marketing platform. So there are a lot of functionality, like you can create an offers, or you could post a video, photos, you could do the contest, and you could engage with your audiences. And s- the Twitter is completely different social media platform, right? You need to tweet within 140 characters with a very catchy caption and hashtag. And the target audience on the Twitter is basically either thought leaders, the B2B audiences, and it could also work out for the retail businesses. Uh, so so these are the differentiator for each one of the social media platforms available. Let's move forward. So next is search engine marketing. Search engine marketing, you have two kind of activities. One is the SEO and another one is SEM. So SEM is basically the paid listings, which is coming from the Google AdWords. So when you're advertising with SEM, you basically pay to the Google AdWords and advertise your business based on the keyword you select on the Google AdWords platform. And when your potential customers types any keyword in the Google search, your business get displayed over there. In SEO, it is a organic listing from the Google search engine, which means your website is getting ranked organically based on the content including in your website. So in order to make the SEO work for your business website, there are total 200 plus on page and off page factors available. The more and more factors you meet, you're going to rank in the Google search engine. And of course, there will be competitor website as well. So you'll be competing with the competitors. So, Google search crawlers will be looking at your website, whether how many parameters you meet uh, from your competitors, like whether it is the number is on the higher side or on the lower side. So these are the both two options available when it comes to search engine marketing. So this is one of the major platform for your business. Next is the mobile marketing. So mobile marketing, you have got four kind of sub platform, which is like SMS ad, which is kind of outdated now, but still it works for certain businesses, like education institutes or some of the retail businesses like that. Then the second is search ad, which is very useful. Then the third is web display ad, which the ad appears when you browse the websites, uh, either on your mobile phone browser or on your desktop browser. Then the next one, the fourth one is app display ads. This is the kind of ad which appears when you browse any application, mobile application on your phone, whether it is on iOS or Android. It appears when you're playing any games on your phone or browsing any application. So that is called app display ad. So mobile marketing option is a very lucrative for the advertisers these days. They can reach out to the target audience. The next one is the video marketing. Video marketing is cool trend these days. It is really gonna rock in coming days. So the major video marketing platforms are the YouTube, the Google Plus, the Vimeo, LinkedIn, the Daily Motion, the Facebook, the Meta Cafe. So these all the platforms are there where you can perform the video SEO as well as the video advertising marketing. So you could place your ads mainly in YouTube and then Vimeo, and even the Facebook. You could place the video ads, and your business will interact to its target audience, and your business ads will be seen by your target audience, and they can interact. They can go to the landing page, they can sign up, and all this cool stuff. You can do it with video marketing. The next one is the display marketing. So I'm very sure that all of you must be familiar with this display marketing, because every one of us browse hundreds of websites every single day, and these kind of display ads keep popping in on almost every website which is part of GDN, the Google Display Network. So these ads either we find on on the top and corner or right hand corner or bottom of the corner of millions of websites we browse. So this display marketing is really uh, important for any advertiser who's looking to generate leads or sales, or maybe the brand awareness for the business. And display marketing is not that expensive as search ads or any other form of ads are. It's very competitive, but very effective for your business. So next is the analytics and reporting platform. So after putting the effort in all this digital marketing strategies, in this platform, you could measure the performance and effectiveness of your advertising and marketing campaign. So there is a flagship digital analytics tools is available, which is free of cost completely, and the name is Google Analytics. You might have heard about this tool. It is very good tool to analyze the uh, entire person of your web traffic. So how many people are visiting your website, how much minutes they are staying on your website, from which all locations they are coming, how many are converting, from which page they are actually exiting the website, or how many pages they've browsed in your website when they come, or how many repeat visitors are there on your website. And a lot more analysis can be done with this Google Analytics. There are more social media analytics tool is also there, which is Hootsuite, and then the Mixpanel and the Kissmetric is more advanced and sophisticated analytics tools out there.